Hello friends! Today in my box I am making a bitter gourd curry, which is basically a thick tangy spiced Asian curry. I learned this recipe from one of my friend and it's so delicious that it became my husband's recent favorites. As most of you might know, bitter gourd by itself has a sharp alkaline flavor that most people do not relish. So if you have a friend or family member who do not like the bitter taste, they will actually love it if cooked in this way. Let's get started into preparing the meal.
The required ingredients are 1 big onion, 1 full tomato, some bitter gourd, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, few curry leaves, oil and salt to taste. If you take a closer look here, you would notice that I have shown 1 small onion and tomato paste. This is solely for the purpose of decor. However, I will be using 1 large onion and tomato in the preparation of this curry. First, let's cut the bitter gourd into thin round slices. The crucial step here is to de-seed them. And gather the pieces in a mixing bowl and add salt. We will now allow it to stay for 20 minutes prior to cooking because it helps in the salt drawing out of the bitter juice from it. Now that I let it for 20 minutes, I start cutting the onion into thin long stripes. I then grind 1 big tomato into a paste. Heat oil in a frying pan. And deep fry the slices until it turns rich brown in color.
One another way to remove its bitterness is you can dip the sliced pieces in diluted yogurt and set it aside for at least an hour prior to cooking.
In a separate pan, pour oil and caramelize onions by slow cooking until it's rich brown in color. We will now take it out and keep it aside. In the same frying pan, I am adding oil and spice blend. I use 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, and very little salt if required. You can now add the tomato paste that we have made. Add some curry leaves. Then let it thicken. Now that's thickened, mix the onions then fried bitter gourd into the mixture. Stir well for a minute. We are done. And that's it guys for this recipe. A wonderful dish is ready and it looks so warm to me. Give this a try with your favorite roti or rice and I promise you won't be disappointed.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, go ahead and share it with friends and family because I'm just starting out this YouTube channel and it will be greatly appreciated when you do. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.